recipe with you this evening. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Alright? Yeah. That's how we normally do it in the kitchen when we have a certain kind of recipe. Well, this is the food news channel, and we all know that on the food news we normally give you a few updates and what's going on Chef Ricardo food news channel. So if you're new to my food news channel, you are welcome. Alright? Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend if you are new to the food news. Alright, let's jump into it. So basically, I'm going to be doing a weight loss carrot juice recipe today. Alright, what we're going to do, we're going to get some carrot, and we're going to cut up the carrot them into some small pieces. Alright? Yeah. So first thing is to get the carrot them and cut them up into some small pieces. Alright? That's what we're going to do. So if you are new to this recipe, you're welcome. So we're gonna get some carrot and cut them up really, alright, just like this. So this is 2 large carrots so far. Alright. So that's 2 carrots, so we're gonna put 1 more in it. Make 3 carrots. Alright. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna use 2.5 carrot. So basically 2.5 carrot is like this. So you know what I mean. So we use 2 of this one and half of this one. Alright, beautiful. We got some lime. We're gonna put some lime inside of it, and also I got some lemon, which I want to put also inside of it. So this is some lime. We're just gonna put some lime inside of it. Alright? And then I got some ginger, which I wanna also put inside of it. That's definitely gonna bring in a lovely flavor to it. Listen now guys. We all know that carrot juice is very good for weight loss. Do your research. Alright? Roughly about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Alright, and then we're going to put some water inside of it. We're going to fill it up with some water, just like this, to fill it up the blender. Alright guys, beautiful. So what we're going to do, we're going to blend this about 2 to 3 seconds. Alright. So once you blend it out and it come out lovely and nice, then you're pretty good to go. Alright guys? And that's exactly what you need to do with this one. Alright? Now we're going to pour it into a strainer. We're going to strain it out like this. Alright? Yeah. Beautiful one. So as you can see for yourself, you may look that so simple, but to be honest, it is delicious. Alright? Trust me, 100% guys, it is delicious. And I'm telling you this is just a recipe where you definitely can try at home in your own kitchen. Alright? Now, the thing is, well, a lot of people doesn't know carrot. A lot of people have been using carrot over the many years, but a lot of people doesn't know it is very good for also weight loss. Not only for making juice at home, it's also good on weight loss too. Alright? But this is a recipe which I've been sharing with a very long time ago, guys. I did it many times. Alright? Trust me, whole heap of time I do this home. So what you want to do, you want to drink this like at least 3 or 4 times for the week. But you definitely you need to eat a little bit healthy. You can't expect to lose weight and you eat junk food and eat certain kind of food. You have to eat very healthy. Alright guys, please, it's very important. Wake up in the morning and also drink a nice lovely hot cup of lemon tea or some lime tea, and this works really well for you, 100%. Alright, beautiful one. So that's it so far right there with that one. Alright, so what we're going to do now, that's part 1 of the juice so far. Alright, we're going to pour this inside of it like right here, like that. So what you want to do, you want to drink something like this every morning on an empty stomach for at least 3 to 4 morning and see the difference, or during the day. But I know 100% I drink carrot juice many occasions, many times, and I try it on my own body, and I'm telling you, you can see the difference. But you have to eat healthy. You can't just want to eat certain kind of food. You have to eat healthy, guys. Alright, and then you will see the result of this an amazing drink. Alright, now we're going to give you another one which you also can make at home for yourself, and it's just one of those kind of drinks which you definitely want to make when you're at home. Alright guys, it's beautiful and it's fantastic and it's also delicious. Alright, and I would encourage you to try this recipe at home if you like to. So I will just give you another one which is also very good if you are interested in this kind of juice. Alright, beautiful but also delicious. Now, part 2 of this, an amazing drink right here in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Alright, beautiful, simple, but also delicious. Alright, so the only thing I would say, please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, as you can see it for yourself. It is just a fantastic and an amazing recipe for you guys to make at home. Guys, the drink is just, I'm telling you, if you do your own research, you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Go to Google and you can type in the benefit of a healthy carrot juice at home, and 100% you will see exactly what I'm talking about, guys. It is beautiful, it is fantastic, and it's just an amazing recipe which you want to try at home in this summer. It is coming up to summer, and a lot of people will definitely be making healthy juice and, you know what I mean, a lot of healthy recipe at home in this summer. Alright, so if you like the recipe, as I said, please subscribe, please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Alright,